Hey guys! Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to add an opening balance in ZohoBooks. So, let's get started. First, log into your ZohoBooks account and go to the Chart of Accounts from the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a list of all your accounts. Click on the account for which you want to add an opening balance, or create a new account if needed. Next, look for the Opening Balance field. Enter the amount you want to start with and choose the date for which this balance should be recorded. Make sure the date corresponds to the start of your financial period to maintain accuracy. Once you've entered the balance, click Save. This opening balance will now reflect in your reports and help you track your transactions from the very beginning. Always double-check that the balance is correct before proceeding to avoid discrepancies in your accounts. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.